Today is a very special day because I am going for a weekend getaway to this really amazing property with my best friends, my ride or die crew in Chennai. Why am I this overexcited? Well, because when you're living cities apart, a day like this, meeting your best friends, traveling with them, having fun, remembering the old times, it is a big deal, isn't it? By the way, my name is Jagriti, and in today's escape, you will be introduced to another beautiful staycation property near Chennai, along with me and my childhood buddies down south. Well, we were running late, like super late. But of course, we are best friends. हम time पे कैसे आ सकते हैं? So I clicked some pictures to pass my time. 1 hour later, one of them came in to fill for the others and decided to take me out for lunch. Well, forgiveness comes easy with flavors like that. I loved it. Oh, did I mention about this boy? I guess I was angry. Well, this one right here is Siddharth. No, Siddhant. Oh god. I've been calling him PC since forever now. With him, I feel like we've lived 1,000 lifetimes together. Lunch was going great. And there came in the others. That's Dhruv, this is Prats, and she is the love of my life, Wids. So now that we all gathered, we hit the road bound for a destination just 2 hours away from Chennai in Mahabalipuram. So PC, we are on our way to Intercontinental. What do you want to say about the property? What do I expect from the day?
Bro, Intercon is like one temple. Imagine a temple but a resort. It's got this, like, you'll feel like the monks used to live there at one point, then one day they said, I have a lake, we'll make swimming pool. Right? And that basically is Intercon. So you'll feel at peace.
Well, we had to stop for filter coffee. It's a must. Nestled along a beautiful coastal highway, the Intercontinental Mahabalipuram Resort is like a dream come true. It blends the rich heritage of Coromandel Coast with modern comforts surrounded by a private beach. Perfect for romantic getaways, family gatherings, wedding parties, or just a chill weekend escape. As we arrived at the entrance, we were greeted with a warm and traditional welcome that instantly set the tone for our stay. It was such a lovely gesture. And after checking in, we went around the property and straight headed towards the private beach. Well, because आपको property दिखानी थी और light बस जाने ही वाली थी. Long distance friendships are so special. Of course, you really don't see their faces every now and then, but when you do, it's the best feeling in the world. बचपन के दोस्त, what you feel with them, you do not feel anywhere else. It's so pure and old school. I love their private beach and this restaurant by the beach which is called Kokomo Tiki Shack. It gives an absolute Goa vibe with better crowd and great music. Property tour करने के बाद we made our way to the room which overlooks the stunning pool, and let me tell you, the pool looks absolutely amazing. Stepping into our room, we were blown away by the beautiful interiors. It's spacious enough to easily accommodate 3 or 4 people. It's modern and aesthetically done. Room tour done, so chalo up poolside. My friends dived right in because they're all swimmers, and I stood back for a while with millions of thoughts that how this pool could kill me today. After an awesome swim, we bounced back to our rooms to freshen up before hitting the beachside dinner and drinks, and most importantly, catching up on all the details we missed in each other's lives since we last hung out together. I really missed these get-ready sessions with Wids. Ages ago growing up here, it was still the same. This is so nostalgic. While chilling in the shack, we had a couple who joined us. They were celebrating their 40th anniversary, and let me tell you, Uncle dropped some serious wisdom about embracing life and aging gracefully. It was very sweet. And post-dinner, the moment I was waiting for. We took our comfort spots in the room while PC took me down the memory lane playing the guitar. We jammed and chilled in all night, soaking in the good times. Today has been nothing short of, beautiful warmth and wholesomeness. I feel like long distance friendships are so meaningful, and I wouldn't want it any other way. So thank you for watching this day with me, and hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed being here. And next morning, we had breakfast together, and I headed straight to my flight back to Delhi, taking a heart full of beautiful memories until I see them again. Intercontinental was great, and this was my staycation escape into life, into love, and into friendship. Until next time, sending lots of travel and adventure your way. May you get to see your long distance friends soon and finally take that trip in real from your WhatsApp group chats. See you in the next escape. And if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up, shower your love, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, tada!